today, the theme of our cultural show is tourism. We are promoting our cultures to the world. Ipapakilala natin yan. Sa ngayon, nandito ang anim na region from Basilan. Makikita ang decoration nila doon. Ang pangalan ng nakabitay na tela doon is Ternon. We will explain later. Kung papalarin tayo, makikita natin sa slideshow. And then, Cotabato Maguindanao, the signature in all. And then, Tawi-Tawi